Go through the shutdown sequence. So what we're going to do is quit. Button. Are you sure to exit without saving? Yes. And shutdown. Double click. You're about to be signed out. Go down. So it'll turn the screen off. Won't turn the pump off. The red button is to turn the pump off. Screen is gone. Pump is dead. Now I'll just show, come around here. So the lights are still on the speed controller and the PLC. So if you're going to start the machine again, to make sure that if there's no conflict, turn it off here. And you may wait till there's nothing on there. It'll come up no volts, and then it will turn itself completely off.